If you want to register a domain and build your website at an affordable price, let me show you how Namecheap works and how to save money during checkout. We're already on the official Namecheap website. Let's quickly explore the homepage. Here you can search for domain names, check prices, and see services like web hosting, WordPress hosting, business email, SSL certificates, and other website tools. Everything you need to get online is available in one place, and the layout is very beginner-friendly. Now let's search for a domain name. I'm typing an example domain name, new domain, and clicking search. Namecheap now redirects us to the search results page. Here, we can see different domain extensions and availability. For example, we can see the domain new domain to list it here. Let's select this domain and add it to the cart. After selecting the domain, Namecheap shows several optional add-ons. These include web hosting, WordPress hosting, business email, SSL certificates, and other services. You can choose what you need or skip anything you don't want to keep your costs low. But before we proceed to checkout, it's always smart to check Techie Coupons. Now switching to the Techie Coupons website. This is Techie Coupons, a trusted website where you can find verified and regularly updated coupon codes for domain registrars, hosting services, and other tech tools. On Techie Coupons, there's a dedicated Namecheap store page that lists the latest active Namecheap coupon codes, domain discounts, hosting deals, and special offers. On this page, you can clearly see which coupons apply to domain registrations, hosting plans, SSL certificates, or email services. You'll also find simple instructions on how to use the coupon, so you don't miss any savings at checkout. Once you've checked the available Namecheap deals and copied the coupon code if needed, let's go back to the Namecheap website. Now back on Namecheap, we're on the checkout page. Here, review your selected domain and any add-ons you chose. Look for the promo code or coupon code field on the checkout screen. Paste the Namecheap coupon code from Techie Coupons into this box and apply it. If the code is valid, you'll see the total price update instantly. Once the discount is applied, complete your payment, and that's it. Your domain is successfully registered at a lower price. Before buying domains, hosting, or website tools, always visit Techie Coupons to find verified coupon codes, updated discounts, and the best available deals. The link to the Namecheap coupon page on Techie Coupons is available in the description.